Catch the beat. We're going to go into side steps. Make sure you've got enough space to go 2 steps to the right. Let's take single steps for now. So if you need to do a small step, take it across to this side. Tapping the toe across in front. So arms swing gently, shoulders are relaxed, well done. Head lifted. Think about pulling your tummy back where you'd like it to be. Take it back to normal side step. Well done. Let's swim with the arms, 2 steps, swim, and pull, swim, pull back, swim, pull back. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see what I'm doing. Pull back, swim, pull back, swim, pull back. Hold it here, single steps, relax those shoulders. We're going to go back to those double side steps. Stay facing me, but I'm going to turn so you can see a little bit what I'm doing this time. So 2 steps. I'm trying to keep the hands about shoulder height, so touch your shoulders, reach forward if you can. If that doesn't work, make it smaller, do what feels right for you, well done. So that's hurting your ankles, keep it smaller. Back to single side steps, relax the arms. Think about pulling your belly in again. Keep breathing. Most important thing, keep breathing. You're going to fall over otherwise. Well done. Tapping that toe across in front. Challenging your balance slightly by taking that foot across. Well done. Side step. Some of these pieces of music seem to have odd beats. Sure, it's not me. Let's do 2 steps. And pull. Pull. Stay the same with the arms. This time forward. Well done. Side steps, catch the beat. So this track is relatively fast, so maybe keep the steps a little bit smaller. Coming forward, 4, and back for 4. And again. Hold it here, arms out to the side. Two steps. Lifting those elbows up to the side, really feel it in the back of the arms if you lift them high enough. Hold it to singles. Bring it forward for 4. That's 4, 3, 2, 1. And back. Again, make it as big or as small as you want. It's your body, your workout. And back. Hold it here. ready to go 2 steps. 4, 3, 2 steps. If you can, take those elbows out to the side, lift them up. Really feel the back of the arms working, but you don't have to. Single here. The arm relax. Coming forward for 4, 3, 2. Make those steps as big or as small as you want. If you're struggling for breath, make it smaller or march on the spot. Do what feels right for you, for your body. Two steps. And back. Well done. Feels a little bit awkward, doesn't it? But it really is giving a little bit of work to the back of the arms, maybe working those back wings a bit. I hope so. Well done. Hold it here. Relax the arms. Coming forward. 4, 4, 3, 2. Keep it moving and back. 4, 3, 2.